Okay, so it's now been a whole 8 hours. I've been at work all day. I'm only after coming back. As you can see, the weather is crappy outside. It's raining. It's very cold. So this is definitely a good cold start for this bike. And I say start, but it may not start. I'm hoping that it's going to keep up the good work and just start for me. So here's the ignition on. We're going to try it. No joke. We're just going to try it as is. See what it does, just like this morning. And see if it's going to behave. Not so bad. So it is starting at least. Don't know what it's running like. I'll have to take it out for a little spin later on and see, but I have to pump up the wheels and stuff to be able to do that. So there you go. It's running anyway. Ticking over nicely there. So I decided, as it was starting up so good, I'd take it for a little run out a wee private road here that we have. It's about a mile long, something like that. And yeah, I'm very happy with the way that it's running. It's changing through the gears okay. It's not hesitant on the throttle. It's what it's supposed to be. So I'm very happy with it. I think now is probably the best time to strip it down and to get on with the next bit and paint it. So hopefully it'll be out of my hair now in the next, let's say, month. It'll be out of my hair hopefully and back with its owner. With a bit of luck. There you go guys, that's the CD175. Let's just try starting it up again for the fun. Key on. Now it's not showing the ignition light now for some reason, or the neutral light. It does that an odd time, but it is in neutral. There it started up, no problem. I can't actually show you it moving because I've no way of holding this unless I get a mate to do it for me, which I might do. I might actually get him to do it. Give me a moment. 100% running now. Ready for the paint. Take it for a wee rip here just to show you. That's all. Okay, so it's now 2 days later. Had it out for that spin yesterday, as you seen in the videos there. I'm going to try and start it from cold today. Now this is a cold day, and I'm not going to put on the choke first to see what happens. So, ignition going on. I'm not seeing my neutral switch, my neutral light, so I'm going to have to figure out what's going on with that. Hope that that is in neutral. Let's see. Yeah, it's in neutral, so Let's give it a shot. There you go. Almost the first kick there. She's not liking it though. She probably needs the choke. But she will heat up and probably run okay with a bit of luck. I just put on the choke there and it stopped. A couple of parts hanging down around me here. No, it doesn't like the choke at all. So I reckon it would just heat up there and it'd probably run okay then. But it doesn't like the choke. Which means it could be running a little bit on the rich side. We'll figure that all out. I'm just happy it's running at all. So I think the next thing we're going to do is we're going to strip it down and start painting. Just get it done. Watch this space.